Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Headlight Kia Optima, full guide. Start by opening the hood and locating the headlight assembly, then disconnect the battery negative terminal for safety. Remove the plastic clips and screws securing the trim and bumper where needed, then access the headlight bolts. Carefully unplug the headlight connectors and remove bulbs before pulling the assembly straight out. Keep fasteners organized and inspect alignment tabs before installing replacement parts. With the hood open, remove any plastic clips and bolts from the bumper and trim to reach the headlight assembly. Keep a container for small parts and label locations to simplify reassembly. Gently pull trim away where clips release, and if the bumper needs lowering, support it with a prop or helper. Work patiently to avoid breaking tabs and use a trim tool to protect painted surfaces during removal carefully. Quick recommendation: if this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like to support more helpful car repair videos. Robot Face upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum Voice Control, a fun way to keep your garage tidy between projects. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if interested. Thanks for the support, and please now let's get back to the video. Unplug headlight electrical connectors by pressing tabs and pulling straight to prevent damage. Remove the headlight mounting bolts and support the assembly as you loosen the final fasteners. Before fully extracting, remove bulbs or retainers to avoid snagging wires or breaking sockets. Inspect the housing for broken clips and replace any damaged hardware. Keep gloves to protect hands and a flashlight to check alignment posts while reinstalling the new assembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.